the same diagram you can see the so see the various parts. So here you can clearly see A1, A2, A3, all these are smaller parts of the picking tappet, and you can observe that C is the tapered cone. Please observe C is the tapered cone. I will show you the video at the end of the class. So C is the tapered cone and D is the vertical shaft. So please observe D is the vertical shaft. E is the top bracket. So top bracket means so some kind of bearing. So top bracket, and F is the footstep bearing, and G is the collar, and H is the leather strap, I is the spring, J is the bottom corrugated plate, and K is the top corrugated plate. So that's what we have seen in the previous diagram, angular adjustment. So angular adjustment is done with the help of top corrugated plate and bottom corrugated plate. L is the picking arm or picking stick. L is the picking arm or picking stick, and so picking stick you have already seen in the earlier diagram, and M is the ground nut, ground cap, and N is the nut. O is the picking strap or picking band. So picking strap or picking band, which is made up of leather. So picking strap or picking band is made up of leather, and next one is picker, and here similarly like the earlier diagram, picker is in contact with the tip of the shuttle. Cone overpick mechanism construction. So I will, there are like 10 points, so please observe. The picking tappet is fixed to the bottom shaft. So what do you understand by this? Both the shedding tappets and picking tappets are fixed to the bottom shaft only. Bottom shaft contains picking tappets and shedding tappets. Picking tappets are placed on two sides. So picking tappets are placed on two sides. Shedding tappets are in the middle of the loom, whereas picking tappets are at the extremes ends of the loom. So please make a note that picking tappet is fixed to the bottom shaft, similar to shedding tappets are mounted on the bottom shaft. So that's the point. Next, the picking tappet consists of three parts, namely boss, shell, and nose. In the second diagram, you can see all these parts: boss, shell, and nose. Nose is the part that hits the cone, so that is the important part. So the picking nose bit touches a tapered cone which is connected to a vertical shaft by a stud. The picking tappet's nose bit touches a tapered cone. So what does it mean by tapering? Tapering means reducing in diameter. If you see basketball, no, not basketball. If you see baseball bat, it is tapered. So if you have seen a baseball playing, so in that the bat is like tapered one. So this is also tapered cone. The picking nose bit touches a tapered cone, which is connected to a vertical shaft by a stud, by a connecting bolts and nuts. So tapered cone is connected to vertical shaft. The vertical shaft is held in the vertical position with the help of top bracket and footstep bearing. You have seen in the second diagram that the vertical shaft is held in the upright position, that means vertical position, with the help of top bracket and footstep bearing. So top bracket is above and footstep bearing is below, and in between that vertical shaft is held in the vertical position or upright position. So the top of the vertical shaft carries two corrugated plates. We have seen in the first diagram that angular adjustment. In the second diagram we have seen top corrugated plate and bottom corrugated plate. So the top of the vertical shaft carries two corrugated plates. What are the two corrugated plates? Top corrugated plate and bottom corrugated plate. So we have seen the parts. We have come to know so many parts in these 5 steps: picking tappet, bottom shaft, nose bit, tapered cone, vertical shaft, top bracket, footstep bearing, two corrugated plates. So these are the parts that we came and how they are constructed into to form a mechanism. Construction continued. The bottom plate is fixed rigidly and the top plate is placed upon the bottom plate such that its position can be altered to change the strength of the pick. The top corrugated plate and bottom corrugated plates are angularly positioned so that their position can be altered so that the strength of the pick can be changed. What does it mean by strength of the pick? The acceleration at which the shuttle is propelled across the shed, that can be changed. So what is acceleration? Acceleration is change in speed. You might have studied in physics. Acceleration is what? Change in speed is change in velocity. Suppose I run with 40 kilometers per hour and then after some time my speed reduces to 20 kilometers per hour, then that is known as 40 minus 20 by 2. So that is known as acceleration. That's what I remember. I hope it is correct. So acceleration is change in velocity. So why do we accelerate shuttle? We accelerate shuttle so that picking is done. Our purpose is picking. So for the purpose of picking we accelerate shuttle, and to accelerate shuttle all these mechanism is built.